Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce project tutorial. In this video, we will cover move a product from wishlist to cart. So let's see how can we move product from wishlist to cart. So first of all, go to the wishlist controller. So just go inside the app directory, then HTTP controllers, and from here let's open wishlist controller. Now here let's create a new function. So right here public function and function name which is move to cart, and inside this function just pass one argument which is a string rowId, and inside this function first of all let's get the item from the wish list according to this rowId. Okay, so right here $item is equal to cart colon instance, and pass here the instance name which is wish list, and then call here the get method, and inside this get method just pass here $rowId. Okay, and after getting this item from the wish list, just remove this item from the wish list. So right here cart colon instance and instance name which is wish list, and call here the remove method. Okay, and inside this remove method just pass here rowId, and after this just add this item to the cart. So right here cart colon instance, and then instance name which is cart, and then call here the add method, and inside this add method just pass here the id, name, quantity and price. Okay, and also associate with the product model. So right here arrow associate, and then path of the product model which is app/models/product. Okay, and after this just return back with the success message. Okay, so add here the key success and message product moved to cart successfully. Alright, now save this, and let's create a route for this function. So go to the routes directory and open web.php, and here after this let's create here a new route. So right here route method name post, add here the URI wishlist/move to cart slash, add here one route parameter which is rowId, then controller name WishlistController, and function name move to cart. Also add here the route name which is wishlist.move.to.cart. Okay, this one. Now go to the wishlist index view file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, wishlist, and from here let's open this index view file. And now inside this index view file, inside this for each, before this remove button, you can see here add to cart button. Okay, before this button let's add here a form. So just write here form action is equal to double curly bracket route, and route name which is wishlist.move.to.cart. Okay, and also pass here rowId. So write here comma $item arrow rowId, method is equal to post, and inside this form just add here @csrf. Okay, and now after this button just close the form, and inside this button just add here type is equal to submit. Now it's done. So let's check. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page. This time you can see here inside the wish list there are 3 products. Okay, and inside the cart there is no any product. So let's move this product to the cart. So just click on this button, add to cart. Okay, here is one error, call to undefined method, cart service get method. Okay, so let's define this get method inside this cart service. So go to the VS Code and just go inside the app directory, then services, and from here let's open cart service. Okay, and here after this function just add one more function here which is get, public function get, and pass here one argument which is a string rowId, and return type which is object, and just return $this arrow get cart, and call here the get method. Okay, this one, and inside this get method just pass here rowId. Now go back to the browser and just go back and refresh the page. Okay, now let's add this product to the cart. So just click on this button. Now you can see here inside the wish list there are 2 products, and inside the cart 1 product. Okay, now let's move this one, add to cart. So just click on this button, and this time you can see here inside the wish list 1 product and cart 2 product. Okay, you can see here the products. This video covers move product from wishlist to cart. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.